Okay, so to start off, you need to gather your supplies, and you're going to take your piece of 2x4 plywood and cut it into a 5-inch section. Then you're going to go ahead and lay out the pieces like an H. Mark the middle and then put in a couple screws. Next, you're going to take the flanges, I believe they're called, and you're going to have to drill them into the beam across, and then drill them also into the little 5-inch pieces. And then all you have to do is twist in the rods and then twist in the handheld pieces. Make sure they're nice and tight. And then you go ahead and sand down the finishing touches to make it smooth and soft for your hands. Next, I added in some rubber stoppers at the bottom to keep it from sliding around on the floor. And voila! All the products I used to make these canes can be found in the description box down below. And that's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I am not a professional, but these work pretty good for me, and I'm really happy with how they turned out.
I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming.